Have you ever wondered how much your language shapes the way you think? Could the words you use influence your perception of the world? Welcome to the fascinating realm of the Sapir-Whorf hypothesis. This theory, named after linguists Edward Sapir and Benjamin Lee Whorf, proposes a powerful idea. The language we speak doesn't just reflect our thoughts, it influences them. Imagine language as a pair of glasses, tinting everything you see. Depending on the color of your lenses, the world may appear different. In the same vein, the Sapir-Whorf hypothesis suggests that the language we use can color our perception and cognition. This hypothesis breaks down into two versions, the strong and the weak. The strong version argues that language determines thought completely. It suggests that speakers of different languages actually experience the world in different ways because their languages categorize reality differently. This is known as linguistic determinism. On the other hand, the weak version of the Sapir-Whorf hypothesis, also known as linguistic relativity, posits that language only influences thought. It doesn't dictate our thinking entirely, but can nudge our perception in certain directions. Take color perception, for example. Some languages have multiple words for what English speakers would call blue. For speakers of those languages, the differentiation between light and dark blue isn't just a matter of shade, it's as different as red and green are to English speakers. So what does this all mean? At its core, the Sapir-Whorf hypothesis challenges the idea that our thoughts are the same regardless of the language we speak. It suggests that our perception and understanding of the world around us may be shaped, at least in part, by the words we use to describe it. But it's important to remember that this is just one perspective in a vast field of linguistic theory. Not all linguists agree with the Sapir-Whorf hypothesis. Some argue that thought shapes language, not the other way around. Others point out that human cognition is complex and likely influenced by many factors, language being just one of them. Indeed, while the Sapir-Whorf hypothesis provides an intriguing lens through which to view the relationship between language and thought, it doesn't provide the full picture. It opens the door to a world of questions about how we perceive, understand, and navigate our reality. In summary, the Sapir-Whorf hypothesis suggests that the language we speak can influence or even determine our thoughts. It presents an interesting perspective on how our words might shape our world. But, as with any theory, it's crucial to consider it in the broader context of ongoing debates and research in the field of linguistics. Remember, language is not just a tool for communication, it's a lens through which we view the world. So next time you're choosing your words, think about how they might be shaping your thoughts. And perhaps, just perhaps, you'll see the world in a different light.